How's your turbo spool today? Welcome back to Twisted VR6. I'm your co-host Bill Siff, and we're here with Trevor today, which is the owner operator of everything.
Yeah.
So we're just here to give you guys an update on his channel to see what's really going on. So what's going on with the car?
Well, we're gonna install 350Z Diff differential today.
350Z Diff is going in her.
That's 6MT manual, yeah. It's out of a manual transmission Z.
Oh yeah? What kind of horsepower does they hold?
Some guys have been high 8s, bottom 8s almost.
Really? We'll see what happens, eh?
But a lot of them don't drive like me.
Yeah, this is true.
You'll see it in a couple days.
If you check out the other videos below there, you'll see how he drives. So this thing will probably be broken in what?
I like pro stock burnouts.
Yeah. Yeah, he likes the burnouts, he does. But don't forget to click on the link below of my channel's down there, and it'll be at the end of this video too, if you want to come over and check out my channel. And I'll do the same for his channel when I'm doing a video. Why wouldn't I? And then we'll just build each other up.
And then Corey can get his own channel.
And then Corey can get one and get her done. But we're just here at, we're using actually Corey's house. Just so you all know, this is Corey's house, and this is Trevor, and neither one of them smoke, so I can't ask for a cigarette. So don't even ask to comment down below, okay? Just so you know. But Corey, what are you working on, bud?
Oh, 2005 BMW. See if we can make a sweet daily out of it.
Perfect. Why wouldn't he? Is the other one outside parks, or is that just...
No, that's what I'm driving right now.
Oh, he's already driving a Beamer, hey?
Box.
Somebody's making more money than we are. What are you doing? Does have a turbo pipe.
He thinks he's building turbo cars too.
So, is there anything else you want to say right now, or do you want to wait and go back to it?
Yeah, we'll drink this and, you know,
Get into her and see what's going on.
drink our Canadian caramel coffee.
We'll be back. So you stay tuned, and there's lots to come.
So,
Well, actually, do one of you guys have a lighter?
oh.
Come on, Corey, you should have a lighter. Right, Trevor?
So these are 350Z to S14 conversion bushings from GK Tech.
Perfect. So what are we going to do here?
We're gonna burn those two bushings out, and then we're gonna install these. Have to punch the other ones out of the rear end. Put this one in. Install that.
You know what you're doing, eh?
No. Fake it till you make it.
Yeah, that's what you got to do sometimes. So we're going to get this thing fired up over here, this torch, and then we're going to burn a bushing out. We're only going to burn out one,
Pipes McGee over here actually
because
gets fired
we have
up.
to burn out two, but we're only going to burn out one for this video.
Check out the tattoo. It's actually pretty sick. Is that a turbo? See, that wasn't hard.
We don't need a light now, boys.
We'll burn these ones out.
Just one.
So is this a technique you always use?
Yeah, it's the easiest way.
Perfect.
Especially with subframe bushings and stuff. You just light them on fire and punch them out. But sometimes it's a process.
I can't even see it.
I just need a bar now.
You got her out, did you? Hopefully. My eye's not very good at seeing it, that's for sure. That was bright.
Well, I can't see shit right now.
Yeah.
I can't see shit either. I'm just winging it.
Breaking the damn concrete.
Oh,
Frig.
why didn't you tell me that?
Oh, you've seen it.
I can't see shit.
You just cocked over your concrete. There it goes.
There we go.
Just do this.
Hey, whose car makes 800 horsepower?
You can't even see it now.
11.
Oh, damn it.
Well, so now we're just gonna pull out the other one?
Yeah,
Okay,
on your channel.
perfect. So we got the other one out, but Trevor's talking about what's going on, Trev? What
Sleeve is stuck.
we got a sleeve stuck in there still. So what do you gotta do? Heat her up some more?
No. Not.
She's in there, bud.
There we go. Done.
Explain what you're doing here.
So we're putting these offset bushings in. As you can tell, the stock S14 / Q45 differential is skinnier. So there's a few companies that make these And normally they press them in, but I'm not holding that on the press. So I'm just gonna beat it in with this frickin' thing. Ready?
Ready.
Air buster.
Because this boy knows how to swing a hammer, he does.
Yeah. Pressed in.
That looked like it was so much easier, dude.
Yeah, imagine trying to do that on a press. Make sure it's straight. And it's installed.
Slipped right in just nice, eh?
And we're ready.
There you go.
Look at that.
So now those holes will line up with that smaller set of holes.
Yeah, and then this one gets pressed into the subframe once we get back there and beat the other one out.
Perfect.
That's where she broke. Right there.
Oh yeah, he cocked it right over. Oh yeah, man. I gotta be gentle, Trav. This is your channel, bud.
I don't give
Oh, you gotta kind of, eh?
What was that?
So-
What was rubbing that?
oh no.
Oh, we'll have to beat that with a hammer.
Careful.
Alright, I just gotta figure out which way these come
So those are the
back
bushings you gotta take out right there?
in. Yeah, just the one. I'm taking them both out, but I only really need to take one out.
How come it has two and the rear end only has one spot for one? Oh, what is that?
Oh, dude.
What happened? What is that?
That's for my axle there.
Oh no.
So,
So this is what it looks like underneath this car.
yeah, all
Explain what's going on under there, Trev.
MacGyvered. Well, I'm going to try and beat these out with zero room. There's one.
That was easy. Wow. So that part's not supposed to come off with the drive shaft, is it?
No, it's not.
That's supposed to stay on the rear end.
Corey, you need a bigger vise.
I'm surprised this drive shaft holds up.
We're not all right.
No, we're not.
There we go. Now we're all right.
How much horsepower your car making, Trev?
Dyno 715 on less boost, so we had the boost.
That was fucking close, dude.
That's why
That
we're
would've-
at. Hits the beat.
That would have been awesome. Not really, but
Yeah, no, it'd been awesome.
So he's just taking bolts out. I know that really you don't need to watch this because he's just taking bolts out. And then that's going to come off, and then he's going to have a drive shaft ready to go in.
So one of the biggest things I wanted to do was get this off and see if we had to re-drill the other flange on the 350Z Diff because this is Q45. So we'll go over. We already tested it. It's for everybody that has a 240. This is the easiest swap ever. I don't have to re-drill. Fits perfect. The bushings went in perfect. It's literally unbolt, bolt in. We good to go.
What are you doing under there?
Wrecking stuff.
The drive shaft back in?
Yeah, I'm gonna put this back in, so because I have a drive shaft hoop on the front there for safety.
Sorry you can't see much, guys.
I can't even see very much myself.
I don't know if you noticed, but Trevor
we
has
go.
jack stands under this car. He's supposed to have, so.
Yeah, you have to.
Yeah.
You never know when that shit's coming down. IDS, Import Drag Solutions, coilover setup. They're really nice. I like them. Once we get it aligned again, we noticed in one of our videos that the tires were cambering a lot more than with the air ride. So I'm gonna need another alignment before we get some good 60-foot times.
How come we didn't paint that?
Paint what?
That diff.
Oh. I will eventually. I'm more or less just getting ready to do a burnout, and then we're gonna swap some of this stuff over to something else that nobody really knows about yet.
There you go. So stay tuned for that too.
Yeah, there's gonna be a lot of, I wouldn't say cool shit going on, but
Corey's got a lot of
Cool
cool
shit.
shit going on over here too. So
yeah.
you got a lot to come here.
Okay, Corey, I'm gonna need you to come under here first.
Uh-oh. Corey, what do you think of that?
I always want to be under shit.
That looks like a lot of work, bud.
You know what? Let that jack down. Oh, heavy girl. Drive her in here.
That's what she said.
Okay, jack it up a little. Okay, drive her in some more. Jack her up, jack her up, jack her up. Okay, once we get over that. Okay, hold on a second. What are we doing here? We gotta turn it. Oh, that sucks. We're gonna have to drop this sway bar down because this diff's wider.
I will say one thing, Trev. I give you credit because I'm not big in the wrenching anymore.
You used to have a sick truck.
I know. Oh, you were close. You almost had it. Might not be the ratchet you wanted in your hand, but
Yeah.
I think you touched it on the way by.
Not the diff itself is not bigger, but the flanges going into the 350Z are bigger. Oh, look at that. We got some room.
Get that ball. You getting that ball? Is this turning out to be a nightmare?
Yeah. Why is that not allowing us to get on there?
You're getting her though?
Yeah, we're getting her.
What do you have to remove now to get that one in?
sway bar's got to come out, actually. The sway bar doesn't fit, so I'm probably going to have to order that white line one that I want anyways. So white line makes an upgraded sway bar that a lot of the drag racers use.
Is this sway bar a stock item?
This one is, yeah.
So why is this pig not going in with a stock sway bar?
The flange...
It's fitting right now.
It's what?
It's not touching now.
It's not touching now? Oh, we might be alright then.
Okay.
Maybe we just had to get it bolted up. And this is my first 350Z swap, so some of the stuff is going to be trial and error, I guess.
So this originally didn't come in this car then either?
Oh, no.
It was originally in the car.
Just S14 diff, but they don't really handle much power.
Oh.
Look at that, Bill.
What's that, bud?
Well, we went too high. There we go. Remember I said we got to jack it up and see where that bushing goes?
Yep.
Right frickin' there. And then, trusty old press hammer. This is a cheater way of doing it, but... Don't tell me I gotta buy a new bolt. I think the bolt's a different size. Alright, well...
Trevor,
let me try that one.
people want to know.
What?
So all the mounts on the car stock are the same mounts for this pig?
The holes themselves, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So that's why I bought the G-Tech. I can't even get that out now. GK Tech, I think is how they say it. Maverick Motorsports makes the same bushing kit. I found that GK Tech was the cheapest out of all of them.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
In case anybody wants to know.
So that was actually pretty easy. I thought it was going to be a lot harder than that. The only thing is we're going to have to put that in. That's on my axle. That stops the axle from leaking.
It might be able to just slide in.
Well, there you go. Any final words for today?
Do the swap on a hoist.
Well, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the quick little video of the old twisted VR6, eh? Subscribe and like.
Keep her between the ditches. Keep her between the ditches.
Open your eyes.